Is regulatory compliance required for all industries? Regulatory compliance is a hot topic right now. With businesses facing increasing scrutiny, many are asking, is regulatory compliance required for all industries? As companies navigate a complex environment, understanding compliance obligations is essential. Just yesterday, news broke about new regulations affecting various sectors, making this discussion even more timely. Regulatory compliance is generally required across all industries. However, the specific regulations and the extent of compliance obligations can vary. This depends on the industry, jurisdiction, and nature of business activities involved. In the realm of business law, regulatory compliance refers to the obligation of organizations to follow laws, regulations, standards, and ethical practices relevant to their operations. All industries face some form of regulatory requirements. However, these requirements can differ widely. Highly regulated sectors like finance, healthcare, pharmaceuticals, energy, and telecommunications are subject to strict compliance rules. These rules may cover data protection, safety standards, financial reporting, environmental impact, and consumer protection. On the other hand, some industries may have fewer or less complex regulations. Yet, they still must meet certain legal standards. This includes labor laws, tax obligations, and basic safety regulations. Companies operating internationally face additional challenges. They must comply with their home country's regulations and local laws in each country where they do business. This can add layers of complexity to their compliance efforts. Failure to comply with regulations can lead to serious consequences. Companies may face penalties such as fines, legal action, operational restrictions, or reputational damage. Because regulations evolve and vary by location and sector, many organizations are turning to compliance management systems or software. These tools help track changes, manage policies, and ensure ongoing adherence to applicable rules. While the degree and specifics of regulatory compliance requirements differ, it is clear that all industries are subject to some regulatory oversight. Companies must maintain compliance to operate legally and avoid risks associated with non-compliance. As businesses adapt to changing regulations, staying informed is key to navigating this ever-evolving landscape.